So today we'll be explaining on data encapsulation. What do we understand by data encapsulation? The concept of data encapsulation is very much an object-oriented programming concept. All right. So today we are going to discuss data encapsulation in Java. So to start with, data encapsulation would refer to data hiding, how we're going to hide information within a class or in Java. So data encapsulation would describe how all the data and methods, they are wrapped into one class and it cannot be accessed outside the class. This is a concept of data encapsulation. So where everything is hidden within a class and outside class cannot accept it. Two ways to implement data encapsulation in Java. One, when we're going to define it with a private keyword, or when we are using setters and getters. Good. Now let us see here the program. So all this you already know. This I'm importing the library. This is a library, input output. Class Encapex, the class name. Private int I. You will take, this is I is a variable, integer type, which I have assigned the value of 10. But this variable is private. Now I'm going to call it here. Public static void main string arguments array. Encapex E is equal to new encapex function. E here is an object. This is an object. So as you know, in Java, we have to create object to access any class method or variable. Now, we have the object E, which is going to work on class Encapex, because it's going to work on this class. System.out.println, I want to display E.1. Will it be displayed? Because here it is defined as private. When it is defined as private, it is not expected to be used outside the class. Now, let's see. I come to here, djava. So Java C, it's where I have stored my file in folder Java. So Java C, encapdemo.java. So I'm compiling it. I'm going to have an error because I has private access. So it cannot be accessed outside the class. Because it cannot be accessed outside the class, that's why this is the concept of data encapsulation. So you will see here main function is in encapdemo. That's why my file name is encapdemo.java. That's very important to note because when the file name would be where the main, in the class where the main function is located. That class name .java becomes the file name.